Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as promised, I am bringing you another Valentine's Day DIY using this yardstick sweetheart from the Dollar Tree. And I basically just sanded off the glitter from the word sweetheart, and I'm applying a coat of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color plaster to the front side. I will leave this relatively dry. I will dry it some, but not a lot, because I do want to add some distressing to it using the burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. This paint, or actually both paints, you can find at Walmart. Guys, I pray that you are having a great day, a great evening. I know I have, and I'm about ready to go to bed now. So as you can see, I've taken one of the doilies, and it was a heart-shaped doily, and I just cut out the center part of it, and I am just pressing down the outer layer of the doily around the edges of this heart using some Mod Podge, the matte finish. And then on the center, I did add some Mod Podge to it, and you will see me just trying to outline the center where I cut out the heart that was in the center of the doily to just outline the edges. Now I tried to get it to the shape of the heart, but you know, it doesn't always happen that way. I came as close as I could, but you will see that although not perfect, your eyes will play tricks on you. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. I pray, like I said, that everyone is having a great day or had a great day, and I'm praying that, this week goes by without a hitch. So far, so good. No issues here. Everything is going great. Thank God. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And also, if you have yet to watch the video that I uploaded the other night showing you how I plan out my weeks, please check out that video. And now, as you see, I am now laying the center of the heart that I cut out in the center of the rope. That way it gives it more of the heart shape that I was looking for. And I will be adding my jute twine bow to the top of the center heart. And when I say this is a rustic heart piece, it is really rustic and it's really cute to me. You guys got to let me know what you think about this piece when you see it in the reveal, and please make sure you leave it in the comment section of this video. And now I'm just trimming around the edges of this center heart just to make sure that it's smooth all the way around, or evenly cut all the way around. And now you see me adding some more of that Mod Podge and the matte finish. And I'm just patting it using this sponge. And here's, you will see me making the jute twine bow. I didn't think I was going to be able to do the voiceover for this video because Spectrum was just acting crazy tonight. I tell you, sometimes I don't know what to say about Spectrum. And again, where I saw where the doily had raised, I just made sure that I added more Mod Podge to it so that it would secure to the wooden piece. And so far this is coming along, but it just wasn't fitting to my eyes just yet. But keep watching. And now I'm taking this fingernail sand or buffer or file and just went in between the edges of this piece in the center just to give it a smooth finish. And now I'm burning the rope, removing all the frays. Now in this piece you'll notice that I did not finish the back. I usually will do that in my videos, but as I was finishing this project up, I was like, I will add something to it or complete it if I decide to gift it to someone. But as for now, I didn't want to. So I reached down in my little handy dandy box of Valentine's Day goodies, and I found this very pretty wooden heart with a bunch of little hearts intertwined that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And then I used the burnt umber paint and the baby wipe to spray the burnt umber paint over on top of it to give it a stained look. And again, I was going for the rustic heart. As you know, rustic farmhouse decor, boho is my thing. Now guys, would you have left it like this, or would you have added this center heart to it as well? You got to leave me a comment. Let me know, how would you have done this? And as you can see, I'm getting ready to affix this wooden piece to the center. And it's looking cute, but I'm not done yet. So now you see me tracing the outer edges of this wooden heart with some more of that jute rope that I purchased from Walmart. And I think by adding this little bit of rope, it just really elevated this DIY a lot. Again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload something to my channel. And now I'm just clipping off the edges using my clippers here. And now I'm just going to cut off the overage. The piece is just hanging over the edge, and burning the frays off this rope as well. Now we'll be adding a small hanger right at the top of the heart in the center and making a small little hanger. And again, if I decide to gift this to someone later or whatever, I will, finish the bag. And now I'm just taking some of that burlap that I had left over, little small pieces, and just putting it on top of the hanger. and pressing down so it affixes really well. And guys, it's time for the reveal. Now, did this not turn out cute? It's cute. Yeah, guys. Now I could have centered that bow a little bit more, but hey, you get the gist of it. If you like this content, please give me a like, share, and don't forget to comment. And until the next DIY, bye.